situation. We have a cat out there. We're gonna open up this door with this RC right here. Another cop's gonna scare the crap out of it. So it's gonna be funny, okay? Now I'm gonna open the door and I'm gonna tell you when to turn it on, okay? Oh. The cat's maybe a little bit smart, not that much. Okay, I'll tell you when to turn it on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, turn it on! Dork. Oh my. Let's tell you the cat part. Oh shoot, it's Calvin. Yeah! Yeah.
It's not Calvin.
Oh jeez.
Well, I don't think so.
Get over here, cat. Attack the cat! Oh. Attack Fred! Attack Fred, I mean.
Oh.
Give us some juice, boy.
I am. I'm giving it all the juice. Oh, it's coming back.
Turn it off temporarily. Hey, Freddy, you want a toy? You do? Okay, turn it off full speed. And there she blows. We gotta get it out of the sky. I'm not gonna throw the phone at it. Oh no! It's a bad idea, Buster. Oh, my God. Yeah, okay, bye-bye.